ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वत्यै नमः।
Hello everyone, welcome to History Mantra. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is historiography, which most of you must be familiar, and those who don't have any idea or prior knowledge will easily understand after watching all the videos on this subject. And make sure to read the material along with it. I am going to follow the subject material of IGNOU, as it is easily available and accessible for everyone, and whether you are from any university or college, you won't face any issue as it covers almost every topic. Although I will try to complete the topics in the sequence as arranged here, but important topics will be covered first after I have taught the basic terms in historiography. So, what is historiography and what it is all about? And what are we going to study and what all the topics to cover in historiography? Historiography is the study of how history is written by historians, and history can be anything, be it social history, cultural history, political history, and so on. In this, we study about the factors and conditions which may have impacted the historians and their surroundings, which ultimately impacted the history they have written. Okay, so we will be going in depth about every topic as we explore every topic one by one in the sequence, and the sequence is very important, otherwise you won't be able to understand in the right manner. So as I told you that I will be following the IGNOU material, so accordingly we have 7 chapters or 7 blocks as you may say, and each block has been divided accordingly, as you can see on the screen, that the first block is all about the basic terms, generalization, causation, objectivity, history, ideology and society. The second block is about the pre-modern traditions, that includes the Greco-Roman traditions, Chinese historiography and traditions in early India. Then we have block 3 or chapter 3 as you may say. It is the continuation of pre-modern traditions, part 1 itself, and it includes medieval historiography of Western region, Arabic and Persian region, Indo-Persian region and their local histories. Then we have block 4. It contains the approaches to history in modern times. There are various theories about it, like Marxist tradition, Annals School of Theory. Then we have block 5. It includes Marxist approaches, postmodernist intervention, gender history, race history. Then we have block 6. It includes the approaches and themes in Indian historiography. It's all about India. It includes colonial historiography, our nationalist approach, Marxist approach, communalist trends, Cambridge School of Thoughts. Then we have block 7, approaches and themes in Indian historiography part 2. It includes history from below, subaltern studies, economic history, peasantry and working classes, caste, tribe and gender, religion and culture, and lastly environment, science and technology. So these 30 topics will complete the total historiography, including everything. And historiography is a very vast topic. We will be limiting ourselves to these 30 topics, as mostly these are in the syllabus, and from these only questions come in several exams, be it undergraduate programs, postgraduate programs, and in competitive exams like UGC NET and more. The most important thing is that you have to read the material alongside the topic which we are going through, and I will put in the PDF and the relevant presentation of that video in the below link of the respective video, so you can go through it after watching the video. and make sure to ask any questions in the comment. You can email me in the given email ID at the end of the video. I will be starting the videos from unit 1, that is generalization, and each video will cover almost each topic, or maybe 2 videos will cover each topic if the topic demands so. So that is all, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. And this is a very nice quote by Nelson Mandela. It says that it always seems impossible until it's done. We will start this topic and we will complete it, and you will find yourself that you have a newfound interest in historiography. Okay, thank you.